Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add or remove a card on the Temu platform. Let's get right into the video. And then firstly open up your Gmail application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the YouTube tab and click on it. From there, go to the Settings section. And in under Settings, you'll find the Payment Methods option. Click on it, and if you want to add a card, simply click on the Add Card button. Fill in your card details in the provided fields and click Add Card to complete the process. And now your card should be successfully added. If you want to remove a card, follow the same steps. Go to Settings, find your payment methods and locate the card you wish to remove. Tap on it, then select the Delete Card option. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes LA and your card will be removed. And that's how you add or remove a card on the Gmail application. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in another video.